Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Tinder messages are not sending, this issue is really caused by connection problem or app glitches. Follow these steps to fix it. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test stability. Or you could also, if you're not able to do that, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi. Then you're going to go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Tinder, then swipe it away and then reopen it. This refreshes your chat system. Now go ahead and log out of your Tinder account. Go to settings, look for the logout option and then log out. Then this will force and then log back in. This forces your message syncing. Make sure to update your app. Head over to your app store, search for Tinder, and then check whether it is updated or not. If not updated, updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Older versions may fail to send messages, so update it. If the issue continues, restart your phone to clear background errors, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes. Once refreshed, try sending a message again and wait for a few seconds for delivery, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.